Goeiedag en welkom by Afrikaans Graad 2. Ek is Juffrou Narisha en as jy enige vrae het, asseblief voel vrou my te kontak by die Gmail account teachernarisha@gmail.com. So for today, we're first going to look and read and listen to a story. So the story's name is Hoe Voel Simba? So let's look at the pictures. What do you think is happening in the story? Wat dink jy gebeur in die story? Hierso is Simba en hy lê op sy rug met 'n bal en 'n stok. Hierso is Simba met ander leeu's, bal en 'n stok. Hierso is Simba met sy bal en sy stok, hy lyk hartseer. Hierso is Simba met sy bal en sy stok, hy lyk kwaad. Hierso is Simba met sy maatjies weer en hierso speel hulle met die bal en die stok. So wat dink julle gaan gebeur in die storie? Waaroor gaan die storie? Okay, so let us read. Simba voel lui. Simba feels lazy. Hy lê in die son. He lies in the sun. So Simba voel lui. Hy lê in die son. Simba is kwaad. Simba is angry. Sy sissies en boetie vat sy speelgoed. His sisters and brothers take his toys. So Simba is kwaad. Sy sissies en boetie vat sy speelgoed. Simba is hartseer. Simba is sad. Die ander speel nie met hom nie. The others don't play with him. Ek is jammer. Simba is jammer. Simba is sorry. Hy sê, ek is jammer. Sal julle saam met my speel? Simba is sorry. He says, I am sorry. Will you play with me? Hulle speel saam. They play together. Simba is nou weer gelukkig. Simba is happy again. So let's read again. Hoe voel Simba? Simba voel lui. Hy lê in die son. Simba is kwaad. Sy sissies en boetie vat sy speelgoed. Simba is hartseer. Die ander speel nie met hom nie. Simba is jammer. Hy sê, ek is jammer. Sal julle saam met my speel? Hulle speel saam. Simba is nou weer gelukkig. So what happened in the story? Try and tell your parents in Afrikaans, try to tell a sibling in Afrikaans, or just send me a voice note and then we can talk about what happened in the story in Afrikaans. Nou, hoe voel Simba? Hoe voel jy? Kyk na die prentjies, look at the pictures, luister na die sinne, listen to the sentences, answer ja of nee. So ja is yes, nee is no. Is Simba gelukkig? Does he look happy? Nee. Is Simba kwaad? Does he look angry? Ja. Is Simba hartseer? No, he looks happy, so nee. Now, in your book, open, write week 2, maandag, 25 Januarie. Try to write this next to each other. Hoe voel Simba? Then you're going to copy this into your book, pause until you are done. In your book, draw a picture of how you are feeling today and write the name of the emotion in Afrikaans. So we know happy is gelukkig, kwaad is angry, moeg is tired, hartseer is sad. So try to think of the words we learned last week, draw a picture of how you feel and write the word next to it in Afrikaans. When you are done, you can continue with the video. So kom ons kyk, ons het laas week geleer die is 'n a en die is 'n e. A vir appel, e vir emmer. A vir jas, e vir bed. Vandag gaan ons kyk na 'n. Dit is ink, 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 Dit is 'n vis, 'n vis, 'n vis. Say it on your own. 'n verklip, klip, 'n verklip, klip. Say it on your own. 'n verlig, lig, 'n verlig, lig. Say it on your own. 'n versit, sit, 'n versit, sit. Say it on your own. Okay, so now cut out and paste this into your book, please. Then color in all of the images or pictures that have the sound in them. So quickly cut out and paste, pause the video. When you are done cutting out and pasting, take out your color pencils and then we can continue. Die is 'n boom. Hoor jy die klank in boom? If yes, kleur hom in. If no, moet nie inkleur nie. Vis. Hoor jy in vis? If yes, you color it in. If no, you don't color it in. Hierdie is 'n lig. Hoor jy die in lig? If yes, you color it in. If no, you don't. Vark. Hoor jy in vark? Klip. Hoor jy in klip? Sit. Hoor jy in sit? Pan. Hoor jy in pan? Pit. Hoor jy in pit? Kar. Hoor jy in kar? When you are done with this activity, close your book and take out this third Afrikaans book that is in your bag that you received today. Then page through the book and look at the pictures. Do not read it yet. Look at the pictures and try and tell in Afrikaans what is happening in the story. Thank you so much for coming for today's lesson. If you want to make contact with me or the school, you can make use of the following channels, communication channels, or you can contact me directly at narishawilliams@gmail.com.